Are you struggling with how to help someone with anxiety and depression? It can be difficult to know how to help someone who is going through such a tough time, but there are steps you can take to make a difference. By implementing these 10 tips, you can be a better support system for your loved one and help them navigate their anxiety and depression. Tip 1. Educate yourself about anxiety and depression. The more you know about these conditions, the better equipped you will be to understand and support your loved one. It's important to learn about the different types of anxiety and depression, their causes, symptoms, and treatment options. This way, you'll be able to identify when your loved one is experiencing a particularly difficult episode, and help them find the appropriate support. Tip 2. Be a good listener. Let your loved one talk about their feelings and thoughts without judging or interrupting. This can be hard when you see someone you care about suffering, but it's important to let them express themselves fully. Avoid interrupting, dismissing, or trying to fix their feelings. Just listen and be there for them. Tip 3. Help them find professional help. Encourage your loved one to seek therapy or medication if needed. Finding a professional who can help your loved one is crucial in their recovery. They can work with them to identify triggers, develop coping mechanisms, and create a treatment plan that's tailored to their specific needs. Tip 4. Help them maintain a regular routine. Encourage your loved one to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, eat well, and exercise. When we're struggling with anxiety and depression, it can be easy to fall into bad habits, but maintaining a regular routine can help stabilize mood, increase energy, and improve overall well-being. Tip 5. Help them find healthy ways to cope. Encourage your loved one to try activities like yoga, meditation, or journaling to manage their symptoms. These activities can be very helpful in reducing stress and anxiety, increasing focus, and improving overall well-being. Tip 6. Help them set realistic goals. Encourage your loved one to set small, achievable goals for themselves and help them track their progress. Setting goals can help them feel a sense of control and accomplishment, which can be empowering. However, it's important that these goals are realistic and not too overwhelming. Tip 7. Help them find social support. Encourage your loved one to spend time with friends and family, or to join a support group. Having a strong support system is essential when dealing with anxiety and depression. Support groups can be especially helpful as they provide an opportunity to connect with others who are going through similar experiences. Tip 8. Help them identify and challenge negative thoughts. Encourage your loved one to challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that may be contributing to their anxiety and depression. Negative thoughts can be a major trigger for anxiety and depression, so it's important that they learn how to identify and challenge them. Tip 9. Be patient and understanding. Recovery from anxiety and depression is a process, and it may take time for your loved one to feel better. They may have setbacks, and it's important to be understanding and supportive, rather than getting frustrated or upset. Tip 10. Take care of yourself. Supporting a loved one with anxiety and depression can be emotionally taxing, so make sure you're taking care of yourself too. Make sure you're getting enough rest, exercise, and time to do things you enjoy. Make sure you're taking care of your own mental and emotional well-being so that you can be the best support system possible for your loved one. Anxiety and depression are serious conditions that require professional help and support. These tips are meant to be a guide for you to help your loved one, but it's important to remember that you are not a therapist or a doctor. Be supportive, be understanding, and always encourage your loved one to seek professional help when needed.